Okay, so going back to this tier where we wanted to make it now look like rope instead of the tire, we can't use that extruder because it's too small. It doesn't fit the size rope that we did. So we need to roll a cord that's about the same size as one of these. Okay, so this should be good here. I'll cut this here. Basically decide where I want the rope to come from like down below, actually, or up here, something like this. So I think I will do it like this. Okay, so what I need to do is first blend this in down here, like it's coming from that row. Use your same tools that you used before, and then do the same design like that. Okay, and even here. Notice I'm not attaching it yet, that way I can kind of curl it if I want to. Actually, I think I will. I'll just kind of curl it up like this. Okay, then come back with this tool, make your little, and then cut the ends. I really want this to kind of flare out a little, so you get that it's a rope. Okay, and then we'll do one coming from down below. Now I think I just need to extend that a little further around the side. So I'm just going to roll another one, and I'll just butt it up against that one right here. Have it come down the back. Okay, so then I'll just make this the little line. It's okay, you can add to it. Okay, like that, and then we'll have one come this way and kind of hang down a little bit. Just knead it up, work it, work it, work it. So try to find like where one of those lines is so that you can kind of have it like it's coming from there. And then I think I'm going to have this one kind of hang down here where there's a little mark. That's right. Cover that up. How about that, kind of twist it up a bit? Yeah, I think I'm going to use a little bit bigger scissor. And a little bit of water right under where that is, right there. Kind of pull this out. You flatten it a little bit and start to cut. And then I'm going to come back with the small ones and get in there a little bit more. There we go. Okay, now see, I've got to watch that because I just moved it and now I've got some black stuff there. That's why most of the time I'm using the shortening. Okay, there we go. Okay, I am going to put my boots on top and then make a little hat to go on top of those. So I need some skewers to make those stay in, and usually when it's real cake you want the skewers to go all the way down to the next cake board so that it will support the weight of the boots. These, since it's styrofoam, I don't have to go in as far. You want the point to go in, not to go into the shoe. And I am actually going to take it like this, and I'm going to, actually I should do it here, and twist a little bit as you go in. Okay, right here. And instead of totally doing it from the top, I'll just take this and push that down and then on top. I'm actually going to take a skewer, an extra one, hold on to it, and and push it down this way so it'll actually come out more towards the front of the boot, hopefully. Okay, I can feel it go into the styrofoam. Snip it off, push it in a little bit more with the same skewer. And then this one's leaning against that one a little bit. Cute. Okay. All right, so then I want a hat to go on top of that.